Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing the rational expression x squared minus 6x plus 9 divided by x minus 3 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify this expression by factoring and cancelling out any common factors. So let's get started. To reduce the rational expression x squared minus 6x plus 9 over x minus 3 to its lowest terms, we start by examining the numerator, x squared minus 6x plus 9. We need to see if this can be factored. To factor the numerator, x squared minus 6x plus 9, we look for two numbers that multiply to positive 9 but add up to negative 6. These two numbers are negative 3 and negative 3. Therefore, x squared minus 6x plus 9 can be rewritten as x minus 3 times x minus 3. Now, the rational expression can be written in the form x minus 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 3. Notice that in the rational expression x minus 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 3, we have a common factor of x minus 3 in both the numerator and the denominator. When we divide the numerator and the denominator by this common factor of x minus 3, we are left with x minus 3 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. Therefore, the simplified rational expression is x minus 3 over 1, which is merely x minus 3. This means that the rational expression x squared minus 6x plus 9 over x minus 3 reduces to x minus 3. This is the final step in simplifying the rational expression to its lowest terms.